morning guys, it's 4:48 Pabon Beach. Tara ka donkey. Tara muna tayo sa bahay ni Pits. Sundin natin. Pets, gising ka na ba boy? Alasing ko na boy. Ano boy? Alasing ko na boy. Wala pa ako tulog boy. Uy, gising. Uli. Bili mo na kami ng fish. Ay guys. Kunin lang namin yung motor guys. Bili lang kami ng fish.
Nagla-live na tilapia.
Ito na aking mommy.
Yung boses ng demonyo. Ay boy, baka mo na pa. Ay ako nakatulog ako. Wala ko.
Hindi, doon lang sa Paraiso.
Laong. Gatas na gatas. Bigyan mo na ako kontak. Na, may adalhin na. Matubig, adalhin na.
Bye!
Sino may maliwanag na.
Pakiusap, bawal ipasok.
I came here for fun, and I ain't gotta worry about none. Kung gano'n pa rin tingin mo sa akin, wala na akong magagawa dyan. Cause I came here for no drama, I don't want no trouble. Di mo ba nadadama? Lahat ng nandito masaya, kaya wag kang manghahawa. Makahanap ka sana ng mga tamang kasama, di yung mga away lang trip gawin. Cause I came here for fun, and I ain't gotta worry about none. Lahat ng mga nanakit sa akin, ayoko rin namang masaktan. Cause I came here for
Pauwi lang namin and balik kanina pa. Tapos may nag-run lang kami ng konting mili lang sama si Peter and then yung plan ko today is maglinis ng workplace or workstation since madumi na siya. And sabi kasi nila, pag mas magandang workplace mo, mas parang productive ka. Natry ko rin naman dati which is good naman. So, kaya pinilisin sa top ko today.
We got Glocks, tucked all in that shoe, don't come unless you knock. But this girl grind me, told about the fella, help me set him up, man, she was with it. She just want some shoes and she ain't give no luck, so we do that. I was at his neck, creeping from the back, but saw the ops and had to let him have it. I messed up his bed, but where that beach, she ain't called me yet. We did that at 6 and who got hit? I know someone checked, cause ring one, he don't miss, not 2 weeks past. I'm back on my grind, I can't waste no time, I've been quiet. Baby whooping dough, but them fellows not sliding.
So, yun ang nangyari sa atin sa buong araw and hindi ko na-capture yung iba since nalobot yung phone ko and then natulog ako after ko magsanap ng PC. Pero yun yung most na nangyari sa akin everyday. Since it's Sunday, so pwede medyo may oras ang konti. And I'm planning to do more videos like this para not for profit or not for like vlogging or stuff, but I want to document myself doing this para if ever makita ng mga anak ko na ito pala nangyari sa amin, ito yung ano. Since di na uso yung mga photo albums, makita nila yung mga nangyari sa amin and ma-document ko din yung progress ko. That's my life as a video editor. Peace.